In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some beautiful chords, building on chords that you have already learned. So let's switch to the overhead camera. Let's start with the basic C major chord. We can make this into a C6 chord by adding the sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sixth note of the C major scale. Now we have a C6, and then we can add the ninth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice 9 is actually the same as 2, but we're going to put it up here. So there is C6, 9. Now we can also take the C major chord and lower the third and turn it into C minor. Add the sixth. This would be C minor 6. And we can add the ninth. And now we have C minor 6, 9. Of course, you can do this with other major chords. This is D flat major. Now it's D flat 6, D flat 6, 9, D flat minor. Let's call this C sharp minor, because that's probably the name that this chord is more often given, and that depends on the key signature and so on, but let's call it C sharp minor, C sharp minor 6, C sharp minor 6, 9. Same thing in D. There's D major 6, or D6 we can just call it, and D6, 9, or D minor 6, D minor 6, 9. Well, I'm sure you're beginning to see that this can be done on every note of the chromatic scale, and so that would be your assignment, to start with every major chord, add the sixth, add the ninth, change the major chord to minor, add the sixth, add the ninth. Now, so far I've been playing this chord, these beautiful 6/9 chords, with this particular voicing. I'm playing C and E with my left hand and G, A, D in the right. I could also do it this way. I could play E, G, A, D with one hand and then put the C here, or I could put it down here, or I could fill it in. Now we have this rich, beautiful chord. Now, one way to get this particular chord under your fingers would be to play it and then go up chromatically, just like we did when we found all the major and minor chords using the chromatic scale. This may require a little thought because you're moving a lot of notes. Back to C6, 9, and do the same with the minor. We played the minor 6/9 chord like this. Now we will play these 4 notes in the right hand and then add these in the left to fill it out. And now you've got this beautiful C minor 6/9, C sharp minor 6/9, D minor 6/9. Do the same thing. Just work your way up the chromatic scale, playing all these beautiful I can't even say it. Working your way up the chromatic scale, playing these beautiful minor 6/9 chords. some beautiful chords for you to add to your chord vocabulary. So have fun creating these chords, and then see if you can work them into some songs that you might be playing. That will certainly make them sound a little bit more lush, more complex, a little bit more jazzy. Later on, we'll analyze some songs, and I'll show you how we can fit these chords in to make them sound more interesting. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back with you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. That helps the channel a lot. Also, you can like this video. That also helps the channel. I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.